CFT-20 tokens, or Cosmos fungible tokens, are created on Cosmos Hub and can be bridged to Neutron right from Asteroid Protocol. In order for this to be possible, CFT-20s must be locked in the Asteroid bridge and minted on Neutron as Token Factory tokens. Once you've connected to Asteroid Protocol with a funded wallet, locate the Portfolio page, then under the Tokens tab, find the CFT-20 you want to bridge, then press Enable Bridging. You can also go straight to the Bridge page and select your desired token from the drop-down menu. On this page, your connected wallet will automatically populate, showing the Cosmos Hub address and the corresponding Neutron address. Under Destination Address, click to automatically fill your connected Neutron wallet or enter your desired destination Neutron address. Once you've entered a destination wallet address and selected your desired CFT-20 from the drop-down menu, enter the amount of tokens you'd like to bridge. Agree to the terms and conditions of the bridge, then select Bridge Now. Token Factory is a standard or a set of rules for issuing tokens on Cosmos blockchains that support smart contracts. Token Factory coins are compatible with IBC, so they can move around freely throughout the Cosmos. Note, it is required to have an available balance of Atom on Cosmos Hub and NTRN on Neutron to cover bridging fees for 2 transactions. The first transaction is paid in Atom on the Cosmos Hub side to lock your CFT-20s in the bridge, and the second transaction will be paid in NTRN to release a Token Factory version of your CFT-20s on Neutron. Pay for the 2 transactions, await confirmations, and your Cosmos fungible tokens are now bridged and available on Neutron. From this page, you can choose to select Provide Liquidity, which will direct you to Astroport. Here you can create a new liquidity pool by pairing an equal dollar value of 2 separate tokens on Neutron, or join a liquidity pool that's already existing. Providing liquidity helps to facilitate trading on a decentralized exchange like Astroport and is a way to get emissions or rewards for contributing. This is how to bridge CFT-20s from Cosmos Hub to Neutron.